First things first. So we move in. How Melly day?
Melly is fine. He's fine. He's also doing his own media runs. We're working. We're getting straight to the hustle. Do you understand?
Yes.
There's no time to rest.
At
You have
all.
to make this money.
At all. All right. So Meg will talk about you as a person. I love the energy,
Thank you.
the boldness, this is me. You can't tell me nothing.
You cannot tell me anything. No, this is me. This is me. This is my true, authentic self.
But tell me, you think so now because you show yourself the way where you be without any fear or apology to anybody, you think so now one of the things that make you a target?
Yes, definitely. I feel like people do not really understand my personality. They really do not understand why I was so outspoken. But that's exactly how I grew up. I was always told to say my truth, speak my truth, and be myself. Regardless of the fact that it was a game, like I went there to be myself. I did not go there with a strategy. I don't have strength for all that game planning. See, people will take me as I am and accept me for who I am. And for those who do not understand, I would love to, explain to them who I am. But like I always said in the show, those who want to know me will get to know me, and those who do not care to know me will not know me.
You looking at the parent in the house.
Yeah,
I understand. You get some people where we say they know really, from the beginning they don't like their parent, and it been fall back to affect a whole lot of people too. So I talk about you and Melly.
Yeah.
I love the energy. I love the looking out for each other. I love the we can do this. Woofy do am not in the soap. You get. But tell me, you think say the show for tilt another angle if they no pair you with someone, or you think say the pairing of you and Melly actually did justice to what it's supposed to do?
Honestly, I felt like if we weren't paired, everybody for themselves. If you leave, it's you. If you're, like everything is just you. I'm not worrying about the next person, because also like that's another stress in the house. Anything you're doing, you're not doing my partner.
You not gonna feel fight. You not gonna feel quarrel.
See, not even that, because me, I still did what I needed to. I needed to quarrel and get my partner.
You they rush me now.
See, but for that, I felt like even head of house games depended on your partner. Certain task was your partner, so it was like your faith was not lying in someone. I did not go there to go and be paired. I went there by myself. So, but I was grateful to be paired with Melly, and I learned a lot from him as well, because we're very similar, but the way his approach is kind of different, because me, I don't know how to communicate all the time, and I'm a human being, so I definitely know that there's some things I need to work on, but he was there to encourage me to always speak my piece, and I appreciated that.
Yes. Now I want to talk about the coven. I want to talk about the sisterhood.
Oh God.
I don't know, but I actually, when I've been there foreign to watch, to hear, like sometimes me where they work now, like so they work, I know they watch. So by the time I take out time to listen to Una, I got to hear some of the things where I know watch.
Yep.
See, I'm happen. But tell me, is this like this? I know I try not to use the word gossip now.
Yeah.
This conversation, this relaying or waiting don't happen in the house. Now, say we not like these people, or we want create create foreign out of this whole thing where they happen inside this house. Tell me.
It was definitely to create fun. Like me personally speaking, we didn't go in there with any malice towards anybody. Honestly, we'll talk our stuff, and if they invited all of us, and played everything we said, we'll say it with our chest. Like there's nothing that we said that we'll regret. And when it comes to people saying that we're gossips, like I got backlash for that. I was the head of gossip, the gossip crew. Who know they gossip for this life?
All of us they gossip, but we know they show them out.
Now, and the thing is, the Big Brother show literally shows things that we do, but now we're being like, it's exposed.
The cameras.
There's nothing in that house that we did that's out of the ordinary. It's just exposed. Like people do these things in their house, but there's cameras watching us, from the sex, from anything. Everything we are doing in this house is the things that people do outside the house. They're just not being watched for it. And fortunately or unfortunately for us, cameras are rolling. We're being human beings. So for people that were, gossips, no, they gossip for this life. And it wasn't with any ill intent. I think what we did was we recapped. We updated people.
I love the recap.
We gave people updates. Like we gave you people
serious
updates.
Flashback and updates. I love it.
And for me as well, like there were certain things I would say, like even Yemi, I'd be like, Yemi, let's go and kiss this one today, or go and kiss this one tomorrow. Like there was nothing I said that I would not say in front of anybody face. So to me, I didn't feel like it was gossip because I could repeat it in front of anyone's face.
Now you don't come outside the house, you don't see I don't know if either you don't get the opportunity to see your phone or get to also watch the screen to see what's in the happen. You get anything like a secret where we know they see outside, where they happen inside, where you notice?
Yeah, so I feel like
I need you closer to your mic. Hi, digital, please.
I think there's some stories or some things that look one-sided or whatever. But in terms of the Kosi, Miracle, Yemi, Blue Ava situation,
yes,
I feel like they all know what they're in there for. I think they all know what they're doing. It might look like Yemi is playing everyone, but they're all playing their game in that house.
Okay.
And Miracle as well, as much as he cries and boohoos and all of that, I think that we see past that. Funny enough for me, I saw past it in the house and people didn't see it, but there's people that are watching.
What do you see?
It's just always his strategies.
No, please don't shade me now. What do you see concerning Miracle?
Miracle, he wasn't genuine. He
To
wasn't
who now?
genuine. For me, after coming out of the house and seeing some of the things he said, told people to stay away from me, told Kosi that the kitchen is a strategy. Even the day I left, he had told Kosi to go into the girl group and tried to be that big sister that I was to Nana, because Nana is now the weakest.
Yes.
Things like that. I knew from beginning he wasn't genuine, which is why he would cry blood, sweat and tears as a guy pack where shift, and that's just that. He just wasn't genuine.
You think say it been there intentional, they tried to fight you when you been take break from the kitchen for some time?
Yeah, it was definitely intentional. He wanted to turn the house against me and paint me to be
say
this
now
bully.
your strategy and you be a bully.
Yeah, then I'm a strategy and it was a strategy and I was a bully. If he easy do cook now. Share you cook for how many days? I went back into the kitchen and I was missed. It is what it is, you understand?
But to cook now something where you get love for.
I love cooking.
Because I continue to tell people, normally I don't like to cook. Because I feel like this thing now you guys, they born for this thing. I understand it's a survival skill, but I don't like to cook all the time. So you guys get special talent to want to be inside the kitchen and around the kitchen all the time.
Yeah.
So you love to do this thing.
I love cooking. It was therapeutic. It was like it took my mind off of things in the house and it took me to a place where I felt at peace.
It took your mind off.
Yes.
So we expect Jenni's kitchen anything?
Oh yeah, I'll be sure. All right.
Oh my God. Okay, you heard it here. We're still there here with you, still hanging out with Jenni all the way from Big Brother Titans. And yes, you also go fi send in your messages, but of course time no day on our own side to feed, but we could just ask them one or two more things and then we go move on from there. I want to talk about the relationships where they're in the house. Before that time, Jenni, I need to talk about you. I feel like, I don't know whether I circle or there was a square or something, I don't know, between you and Juicy J.
Hey, God.
And I don't know. Please tell me.
Okay. So it was more like a triangle, but it was a triangle because there were only three of us involved, and it was supposed to be obviously a game that Yvonne and I were supposed to play because we felt that Juicy was playing the game. That emotions got involved and I decided to back up because I didn't want to really intrude.
You vote for your hand for that game.
Honestly speaking, I would never fault Yvonne. The time emotions are feelings. Like she's allowed to feel the type of way that she felt. And for me being the friend that I am, like I never wanted to be that. It's a man that got in the way of our friendship. Yeah. So I backed up.
It takes
backed
guts,
out, and it was just game or no game. Like Yvonne was one of my first friends in that house, and I wasn't ready to lose her because of guy. Like nah. I don't do that. So I backed up and I just I let them do that.
So when she come out now, the friendship still strong and everything?
The friendship is still going to be strong because everything was communicated to Yvonne, so she knows. And Yvonne and I made this pact that like if we ever decide to have a disagreement, that we will talk it out regardless. So Yvonne, she knows what it is at the end of the day, and I'm not going to let social media.
You not think that she, if they're comfortable looking at say it's Juicy J and.
See,
your eye is still there, but your eye did it.
Big Brother's house is not a real house, you guys. It's not real. Things are not real. Things may look real, but they're not real.
So when you talk say things no they real, what thing that happened between Yemi and all his own triangle?
Hey God, I think that one is just. To be honest, I'm praying for them, but genuinely speaking, it won't make it out the house. But
Wait, hold on now. The Yemi and Kosi, okay, Yemi don't break up with with Blue.
Yeah.
Now the Yemi and Kosi relationship.
No.
What you mean? No, clear me now.
I don't think you will walk. See, Yemi,
Why?
Yemi is a bad boy. Yemi is bad boy. You guys not say he should come out and be in a relationship when his life is hitting prime time. Please don't hold my brother back. Let him live his life because he'll be alright. She has a boyfriend at the end of the day, does she not?
Because I'm catching cold. So I don't know. Say this thing not go work outside. How about if Yemi decide to surprise everybody?
No.
Jenni, you get sure? Say
I'm very, very, very sure. They'll be great friends. And even on Kosi's side too. Kosi might come out and say, yo, this was nice while it lasted, whatever. And they'll be great friends, but relationship.
But you go prefer make Kosi live waiting he day now since you know they real move to Miracle.
Oh, I'd rather stay with Yemi. Miracle is too much. She should just stay with Yemi.
Miracle Zone is too much.
Miracle Zone is giving obsession.
Obsession.
Very obsessed.
Wow. Strange. But I love how you speak your truths though.
Thank you.
Now we could talk about you, like the spotlight and everything. Moving forward now, what you would expect to see from Jenni? Like all eyes on you right now.
When I go see my food, when I go steer in my mouth, last, when I go in my mouth one way or another.
Because this man not that good.
Podcast, radio, something.
Awesome.
I go hear I also have a podcast where I review music.
Okay.
So I'm definitely going to keep going on with that, and you guys will hear my music reviews. And don't worry, Jenni will be a household name, so I'm not worried about that. With God on my side, all things are possible.
Tell me the friendship will go last more for you once they come out of the house. Who do you go? They're more excited to see to continue with friendship.
I'm so ready to see my bestie, Black Boy. I keep saying this, but we had a genuine connection. He actually reminded me of my best friend at home, and I'm rooting for him so much, and I miss him so much. Nana as well, Yvonne as well. Like I'm ready for them. Like obviously, please, you should win the money, but I'm so ready for them to get home so I could see them as well.
Who be the person where really pissed you off inside our house? Miracle.
Yes.
You continue to I know Miracle's name continue to come up. How about if Miracle come out now and become best of friends?
We will never become best of
Why
friends.
Though?
I cannot become best friends.
Why? Tell me.
He's not a genuine person. I can't be friends with someone who's not genuine. Yeah. It's one thing to play the game. It's one thing to try to turn everyone against me. Nah, I'm okay. God bless his soul. Yeah.
Wow. Okay then. And who you think say go really, really win this money?
Who? Obviously, I'm going to root.
Not tell me Black Boy.
You know, I go root for my people first. You understand? I'm going to root for the Black Boy, the Yvonne, but I'm rooting for Tabang all the way. Tabang! I
don't see him. I don't see that one clearly.
Small but mighty.
Really?
He's the first to be reckoned with, and big shout out to him. Hope he takes it away. He has potential. That boy's smart. So he's playing the game very, 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 very well, and he's very competitive. So if he wins, yeah. But apart from that, hey, my family can bring it home. Black Boy, Yvonne. I would love, people I'm close to bring it back home. But if not, like Tabang, all love for him. I really would love for him to win as well.
You know, mention Yemi in this winning.
Yeah, me too. Either way, any way it goes, to be honest.
Yes.
May the best winner win. You understand? May the best player win.
Okay.
All the same. If Miracle wins, hey, anyways.
When he reach Miracle, you got just put
congratulations to him.
To everybody.
Yeah,
to everybody.
Because that house is not easy, and to the last day is not easy.
No true relationship in that house.
We'll see when they
from
come
your new way where you see him.
I think that obviously friendships and all of that. Like
I talk about relationships.
If we were never inside the house, like I feel like some people would not look other people's ways.
Why?
Obviously. I think people are just
you feel because we're not there in an enclosed.
Yeah, that's the only reason why some of those things are happening. But there's people that found genuine love. Like Kanaga is definitely in love with Tati all the way.
And you know things that they're upset with each other. Because you talk about somebody being upset and then you don't mention Kanaga and Tati.
Kanaga loves Tati.
That's in our love.
Tati is playing the game. Like I'm looking on the outside now. I'm like, this baby smart though. She's playing this game. So like I'm scared for my brother. I'm scared for him. I'm scared. But hey, you win some, you lose some. So he might win the game and lose the relationship. At least he wants something.
What think will be your advice for anybody who want going to Big Brother?
It's not for the weak-minded though. It's not for the faint-hearted. If you, it's not easy, but I feel like it's a great platform to be on if you do it the right way. Obviously, me, I was seen in a negative light sometimes, but you still do what you got to do. Just be your authentic self. But it is not easy, you guys. You
got a reason why you go inside Big Brother house. You don't achieve that thing.
Yeah, I got the platform that I needed. So
awesome.
I had the plan, and now I have the platform. So we move from there.
Awesome. Fly, baby, fly. You have that platform now.
Thank
you so much. So you come on top of the radio. And of course, where they go follow your social media platform?
It is the Jenni O on Instagram and the Jenni O on Twitter.
And I did look forward to that. I guys hear your voice.
Yeah.
I guys hear I'm out.
No worry. Very soon. Coming soon. Because this is my voice. If you talk for days.
And please, no make anybody feel like no apologies anyway. Some people they actually feel that they're intimidated. Is their call.
Yeah, I hated the fact that I came off like that, but it's all love. I just have a very big personality, and I always feel the need to defend myself, and it comes off a certain way, but I am a loving person, and it was never my intention to come off as a bully, so I do apologize for that if I came off as a bully to anybody.
Yes. So many people feel like that anyway. Yeah. And so with you and Melly, I know it's friendship is strong and everything.
Yeah.
All the best. Hopefully see you guys in different things.
Thank
you, Jenni.
Thank you.
We love you.
Wazobia 95.1 Wazobia.